Donald Trump is once again outpacing the American court system. No, it's unlikely that the bank case in New York will turn out positive for the former president. But this trial is quickly becoming a plan to oppose speech law orders. This problem will become even more urgent as numerous criminal cases appear on the horizon. Trump's strategy was simple: say what you want, inspire a speech ban, appeal decision, and even if speech ban is approved, refuse to delete social media posts he made during confusion. Trump then watches his old posts earn a living on his own and inspires violent threats to the goals he aims to pursue while he sits quietly. Due to a series of layered court appeals, it is an open question whether the leading player of Republican 2024 technically violates the law. Catherine Ross, honorary professor at the School of Law at George Washington University, Trump's Washington, New York. He said it was clearly a preview of what would happen as he faced criminal cases in South Florida and possibly even Georgia next year. We can fully expect Trump to reuse everything he once thought worked for him. It can be predicted that he is testing, studying, and even giving warnings to other judges. You cannot connect me. I am tough, said the Daily Beast. The larger threat is some aspects of Mr. Trump's public statements in the D.C. case Federal Appeals Court in Washington. On Friday, it was made clear when he warned that ongoing trial poses a significant and imminent threat to fair and orderly decision, a criminal case requiring a protection order restricting speech. But the ongoing bank case in New York shows that he knows no boundaries. The former president of Manhattan, Judge Arthur F. Engoron's right-hand man, has been repeatedly ordered to remove online statements that verbally harass his legal clerk, Allison Greenfield, a legal counsel. The fiery rhetoric of billionaire-turned-politician inspired the vengeful MAGA battalion to fill court with death threats. He has already paid a fine of $15,000 due to his disagreement for refusing to delete his past posts. But again in the same situation, by opposing judge's first verdict, achieving a temporary win on appeal and eventually losing war last month, Trump said. In meantime, he created enough confusion and managed to disperse attacks without any reaction during short-term lifting of speech ban. Although the speech ban requires Greenfield to delete everything mentioned, many of its recent disclosures remain on the Truth social media network and continue to be shared thousands of times. His November 30th edition, which is still in the air, mentions that a very disturbed and angry law clerk holds control of the New York State witch hunt case. More than 1,000 mixed reaction comments have come from supporting this interpretation with all its might, to warnings that its ongoing attacks would put him in jail. His report, dated November 21, also complained that a horrible, furious law